friends, today we're making churros. You can make these like as a snack, dessert, or something that you would have with tea. So let's get on with the recipe. To make the churros, we will need 1 cup plain flour, 1 cup milk, 3 eggs, 3 tablespoons butter, a pinch of salt and a pinch of sugar. So let's jump into the recipe. So now we're going to take a pan and put the flame on low, and we're going to add some milk now. Now we're going to let it heat up. Now it's heated up, we're going to add some butter. And now we're going to put the flame on medium and let the milk boil. Now the milk and butter have combined and the milk is at a boil. We're going to turn the heat low, and now we're going to add some flour. And we're going to mix it, combine it really goodly because we do not want any lumps in our dough. Here we have started to knead it. Just if there's any more lumps or anything, we can get them out quicker. This is a good method to take out any lumps. So as you can see here, our dough is very soft now, and that's the consistency you're looking for. And now we're going to put it inside the mixer and add the eggs one by one. Now we have been mixing for a while. It's came into kind of a paste kind of consistency, but it's a little more on the thicker side, and that's what we want it to be. Here you can see that it's not too thin, that's what we want. Okay, now we're going to take a piping bag and we're going to put our dough inside the piping bag, as you can see here, and we're just going to push it all to the bottom like that. And now we're going to heat up our oil inside a pan and keep the flame on low, guys, because if you don't keep it on low, then the churros will be gooey from inside and undercooked, and it'll be burnt from like the outside, which is not good. So please keep it on low. And we're going to start piping out the dough. You can choose however long you want it or however short you want it, and we use scissors to cut it off from the edge. I think that's the best solution, to just cut it off. There goes the second one. Don't overcrowd the pan by adding too many, or else they'll like stick together, which you don't want. There goes a third one. And now we're going to flip them over so they can fry from the other side. So they're a golden brown colour, that means they're ready, so let's take them out. Okay, so we're going to make more, and here we're going to try and make them a little more longer than what we did before. Again, we are going to flip them over so they can fry from the other side too. Here you can see they're now a golden brown colour, which means they're ready now, so let's take them out. Here I hope you can tell through the camera, but they are made really crispy. While the churros are still warm, we're going to take some sugar and add some cinnamon powder. Here there is no measurements required. Add as much or as little as you want. It doesn't really matter, it's up to you. You might want more cinnamon, you might want less cinnamon. It's your decision. So here we're just mixing the cinnamon and the sugar together. It's all done now. Here we are going to take a churro and we're just going to roll it around inside of the mixture, and just taps them off if any excess is on it. As you can see here, just roll it around, taps them off, and put it on a plate. You can take them one by one, or you can take up to 3 at a time, but not more than that, because they might not cover properly and thoroughly. And yeah, we're done, guys. This recipe is really easy. It takes up to 10 to 15 minutes. So that's all, guys. And I hope for you guys it tastes nice. For us, it did. It was really great, crunchy, and great, guys. For any like teenagers or tweens watching and you guys really want to try this out, it's really simple, guys. I made this myself even. It was really good, tasted really nice, so I think you should try it out and give it a go. And for adults watching, you guys can make this for your kids because your kids would love it. It tastes really nice and really good, and it's an easy recipe. It takes up to 10 to 15 minutes, as I said before. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button, leave a nice comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you guys for watching once again. Bye.